Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. I have a November unboxing for you today, or actually it's not an unboxing, it's an unbagging. And it's from Medusa's makeup is here, everybody. I can't believe how quickly this has come this month. This was literally, it arrived on the 6th of November and it was dispatched on the 1st of November. It's literally took 5 days to get here. So, what is Medusa's makeup? Where's it from? What does it cost? Okay, this is a US-based subscription service, which is why I'm amazed at how quickly it's come, to be perfectly honest. It costs, over here to receive as an international customer, it costs $26.95 a month. So, and that works out at current exchange rate and one thing and another, it's around about £23. We always get at least 4 full-size items, and this is generally a makeup subscription service. Yay! Which is why I love to do it. It's also aimed more at the gothic and alternative amongst us. So, you know, we've had black eyeshadows, we've had purples, you know, you tend to get more of your weird and wacky and slightly more out there sort of colours and shades of things. So if you are into that and you've not heard of these, then please do go into the description box, because I pop all the website details in there for you guys. So where it says show more, press that and it'll bring everything up. So for the second month running, it's come in this jiffy bag. So we're gonna open it up and see what we've got. Okay, so we're in, finally. These jiffy bags, the sticky on them isn't half strong. I tell you, I swear they put Gorilla Glue or something on it. But anyway, here we go. That's what's inside. First of all, there should be a little card or something on here that tells us all about what's in there and the RRP values and everything. Now the first thing is, this card actually says they're having a Black Friday sale. And it's, don't miss out, it's 30% off everything, which is awesome. Now Black Friday this year is on Friday the 27th of November. So that's a date for your diary, guys. Here we go. And this is, yep, here's our little card. And this is the Glow Getter edit. I did forget to mention that Medusa's makeup is all vegan and cruelty free as well, guys. And generally speaking, the total value of the boxes that we get is around about the $35 mark. It's not the greatest markup, particularly when you know, take into consideration how much it actually costs to get over here. But, you know, there is a markup, so yeah. And there we go. So this little card tells us what's in there. And let's open it up. The way it's packaged is really, really good. I mean, it's come in this really thick jiffy bag. The inner little bag here is also a bubble wrappy bag. So I don't think I've ever received anything from Medusa that's been damaged or anything like that, which is fantastic. So here we go. How many products have we got this month? We have got 4. Ooh. Okay, let's start with this one. This one is the featured brand. Now, this is something they've started doing. Is actually featuring a brand which is not their own brand. Me personally, I'd rather not. I'd rather them just go back to it all being Medusa's makeup, in all honesty. But, you know, they're trying something new and you can't blame them for that. This is the Seraphine Botanicals, and it's Palmetto and Pillow. Okay, and it's a hydrating matte lip stain. Okay. It's a smooth, long-wearing matte lip stain that's formulated with sunflower and baobab seed oils, so lips remain hydrated, soft and pillowy. Okay, let's have a look. What shade have I got? Does it tell me? Ah, inside it says Azalea. Right, okie dokie. Did I even show you the outer box? I don't think I did I? There we go. This is the outer box for you all. There we go. Is it upside down? It probably is, because I'm dead good at doing that. Yep, there we go. So that's the outer box, guys. And this is inside. There we go. Now that's quite a pinky lip stain, that one. I'm not quite sure. I'm trying to see like in the light. I know it's, it feels nice. The packaging feels nice, but it is all sealed, and honestly, I don't know whether I want to open it or not. It is very, very pink, but I don't know if it's going to turn out like a bit of a berry pink or a hot pink. It's not my sort of colour, in all honesty. So until I'm sure what I'm doing with it, I'm not going to open it and swatch it, because if I do end up thinking I'm going to give that away, obviously with anything like, you know, you want to be able to gift it away unused and untouched. So yeah, so anyway, that has a retail value of $18, and that is item number 1. Item number 2, this is by Lovebird. This is the skin care side of Medusa's makeup. And we have started to get more skincare items in this subscription box recently, again over the last few months. Again, I'm kind of like, no, I have other beauty boxes where I get skincare. I subscribe to this for the makeup, and anyway. But this one, this is the Afterglow Facial Serum, and it's refreshing apparently. It's a 30ml bottle, which will be full size. Here we go, I'll show you the outer packaging. There we go. Obviously you've got your pipette dropper there. And the value of this is $28. Wow, that's quite pricey. Let's have a look. There we go, I've got a little bit on there. So we're just going to pop a drop on, literally a drop. Now then, let's have a... Ooh. Oh, what's that got in it? Oh, that's got something in it. It smells divine. Now then, I must admit, I was a bit worried that this was an oil. Now it says it's a serum, but let's see. Let's see. That one little drop has gone over all the back of my hand. Right, grapeseed oil, it's pink grapefruit essential oil, and that's it. So they're calling it a serum, but it's not, that's an oil. Now, facial oils are not, they're not something I normally like to use. It's the pink grapefruit I can smell, that's what I can smell. Now, it has absorbed into the skin, and it's not left sort of that grease slicky type feel that a lot of oils do, but it has left a sheen and a shine to my skin. Now again, I have oily skin, so I really don't need any help, you know, with that kind of look. It is leaving my skin feeling really nice, but whether or not I will use that, I don't know. Not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. Moving on, but that was item number 2. Moving on to the next one. This is by Medusa's Makeup, and it's one of their matte liquid lipsticks. I've had a couple of these in the past, and I do enjoy using them. I like the coverage it gives and the staying power and one thing and another. This is in the shade Hanky Panky. I like the name. And the RRP of this is $11.95, so just shy of $12. Now this is potentially more a colour I will use because it's darker. Oh yeah, now that is a colour I will use. A lot darker. Right, so this one I'm quite happy about. Let's do, because I've put the oil on this hand, I'm going to put, and I can still feel that I've had that on. I think I might be gifting that away. Here we go. So, there's the doe foot. I really like the doe foots on their liquid lipsticks because they are quite small. And because, particularly on this side of my lip, where my hair lip was, my lip goes down and underneath, so it's quite thin. So, let's... put that down. Here we go. Let's do the swatch on this hand. Oh yeah. Now I have got some, I've got a couple that are a little bit close to that colour wise already. But yeah, that is a colour I will use. It's coming off a bit brighter red on camera than it is in real life. Yeah, but that is lovely. I will use that. So that's a definite keeper, that one. Awesome. And then the last product in the box is one of their mystical eye dusts. I've had one of these, I think one, maybe two of these before. Here we go, this is the outer packaging. There we go. This has an RRP of $11.95 and it's in the shade Chryso. And it's a super sparkly mineral pigment in deep rose gold. Right, the other ones I've got, I think I've had like, one's like a purpley one, and I think the other one's like a silvery one. Now those are both colours that are good and I will use and I will like. Rose gold is not necessarily a me colour. Here we go. They are a loose pigment, as you can see. There we go. And if I open it up, hopefully, no, it's got the seal on it. Fantastic, that's great. I've got a couple of things like this from last year in this sort of very, very similar shade. I think got a Steve Laurent one from Glossybox last December. So I'm not going to take the seal off. That again will be another item that I am unfortunately gifting away this month. Oh dear, so, right. I don't think it's been the best box, has it, for me? Now then, it does say that this is, the total box value this month is $69.90. That's almost double what we usually get. However, my response to that will be, the true value is in the products that you're going to use. And I'm only going to use and keep and use one of these products with an RRP value of $12. And I've paid $27 for it. So this month, unfortunately, I don't think this has been a good box for me. I really don't. And unfortunately, I think I am going to be cancelling my Medusa's makeup. I really don't want to. But it's just the way they seem to be moving with the boxes going forward. They're doing this featured brand. They're putting skincare items in. Yeah, and the colours that are going in there, you know, I mean, we had one a few months ago and it was all pinks and glittery and I'm just like, no, that's not me. Anyway, so this is the only item I will be keeping, which is this liquid lipstick. These three items will be being gifted away. Not sure whether that's going to be to a friend or in a giveaway, but anyway. Yeah, so like I say, for me this month, you know, not the best box at all. Never mind. I mean, anyway, never mind. So, please let me know all your thoughts, feelings and feedback down in the comment section below, everybody. Thank you for watching. As always, if you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. I hope you've enjoyed today's video and you'd like to continue supporting me on my YouTube journey. If so, and if you've not done it already, please do hit that subscribe button, either the red one down below or the circular icon with my face in it, which will appear here shortly. Don't forget to hit that notification bell as well. Turn it on to all, that way YouTube will tell you every time I upload a video, which is about 3 times at the moment. I don't just do subscription box unboxings, I do beauty, makeup looks, makeup hauls. I have my live stream on a Friday evening called the Friday Night Natter. That is a virtual get together. Get yourselves comfy, bring your favourite beverage, an open mind, a willingness to join in. It's a very safe, all-inclusive, encouraging space to literally just come in and have a natter, talk about anything and everything. Usually ends up with me in fits of giggles, so yeah, please do head on over and join us for that, like I say, 8 PM UK time. Okay, everybody, I think that's everything for today. Enjoy the rest of your day, keep safe and well, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.